Morning, brothers. Welcome to A Brown Bag Gentleman. And yes, I didn't have a video last week. Life got in the way, so sorry. But today we do have a treat. We got a few things to show you today. Starting with the soap of the day. Honeysuckle. It came in, yes, it came in. So I've been using it all week. Really enjoying that. And of course, we've got the matching aftershave to go with it. So we'll be using that today. And a couple of comments on this. First of all, of course, it's the CK1 formula, not the CK6. I think I mentioned that in a previous video. So I'm just because I could get it $10 cheaper, and I know the CK1's a phenomenal product, so I was happy with that. So that's what I got and saved $10. I will note on the soap is more mild than I'm used to for a Phoenix soap. As far as the scent profile isn't quite as strong. It's wonderful. It's honeysuckle. It's wonderful, but it's not as strong as the Phoenix soaps tend to be from my experience, the little experience I have. And the aftershave doesn't last. It just does not last, and I'm kind of shocked by that because I've never had that not have, have a Phoenix soap or aftershave not last for like at least 4 to, for me they're like 6 hours plus usually. This one isn't an hour. I don't think it's a half an hour, but I'll say it's not an hour. But that's okay, because that lets you know that you can do other things with aftershaves and stuff if you want to. So if you know that going in, you're prepared. But of course, the scent itself is very intoxicating. I really enjoy it. It just doesn't last like other ones. So be it. So today, now that we showed you the soaps, today, okay, you've seen it. It's a Twig. What's so special about today's Twig? Well, it's because we're not shaving with this one. We're shaving with this one. This is the new Thorn. So this is what we're shaving with today. Of course, I got it in the copper versus the gold in the first Twig, the original Twig. So this is the Thorn. And we're shaving full shave today, the whole face. Of course, on the other one, I save it for under the nose. And this is what's going there too. So let's begin. Of course, my wet shirt, I've already washed my face. Let's soap it up before it dries out. Oh, getting all of my ear too. Okay, I guess I'm shaving my ear. Yeah, no. Oh, it's gonna breathe in all that soap because I enjoy the scent so much. I really enjoy this scent. Oh, a little thin. Yeah, soap's a little thin for me. But it ain't. See, I like to play with the water too. So yeah, if you're gonna critique my lather building skills, yeah, today's a little thin. But that's okay. I like to play with the moisture content of the soap. Gives me something to do. Yeah, changes it up a bit. And the little bit thinner too works very well. It's funny too because I've mentioned it I think several times that it seems like the straight razor shavers like it a little thinner from what I've seen. They like it more like this, where the DE shavers like it a little thicker. And truthfully, a little thicker is a little less messy, which is nice. Doesn't go flying everywhere. Of course, we're going with the grain on first pass. I trimmed down the facial fuzz here yesterday with a number 4 setting against the grain, so it gets a little closer, a lot closer. Of course, it's July here in North Carolina, in central North Carolina, so it's a bit warm outside. I assume you can hear that. Of course, it started with 2 days growth. I didn't show you, but yeah, it's 2 days growth. What I've been trying to do as of like the last month or so, I've been trying to skip Friday shaving, and really I'm only shaving like 4 days a week anyway now, just because it's still working from home, so I can do that. Under my nose is a little sensitive, not from shaving, from allergies and blowing my nose so I was thinking too much, and the Kleenex is a little sensitive under here just from that. I still want to get the mustache up and good. Oh, that's so good. Yep, 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 yep. Just like the other one, it gets under the nose real good. Tell you, if you're doing the, if you're having fun with a little bit of facial fuzz, you do the half mustache or other things, the twigs, they just get under the nose so good. I haven't found a razor yet that's as good. I haven't tried the Blackland yet, so I can't tell you how it is, but I have a feeling it's good. They're a single blade, but theirs, of course, is the artisan style blade, which I'm very intrigued with. I've got my eyes set now on a Razor Rock version 3 of their, what is it? I forget that. Their artisan style razor, but the stainless steel is time, because I've got the Hulk. I've got the green one and the aluminum. But now that I like it, I know I like it. It's like it's time to step it up to the stainless steel. Maybe give one of my boys the Hulk. So here's the thing too. So any of my sons watching this, including son-in-law, if you're interested in my artisan style razor, the green one, if you've watched my videos, the Hulk, if you're interested in it, post a message. Let's hear from you. Let's see who my sons are watching or who's watching it first. Ryan, Rye, or Sean. Let's see who answers first. I don't know why I even, I'm not even going to shave it underneath there. It's as close as I want it to be. I'm going to stop that. I want to get more irritation from, the nose blowing from the allergy. I'm just going to leave it. We'll wash that off afterwards. Second pass went well. Aggressiveness on this razor versus the original. Yes, it's definitely more aggressive. Yes. I know Subi, who I've been watching Subi lately. He's the guy I've been kind of watching. He's entertaining for sure. He does some different things. He doesn't like to leave things alone. I think he's got an engineer's mind or something. Because he's always tweaking things and adjusting things, but he's enjoyable watching. He used this, and he only uses it for 2 passes. I'm a 3-pass shaver. This does not do it for me in 2 passes. It doesn't. And I don't like to go against the grain after only doing with the grain first pass. It's a little bit too much for me, so I do have to go, for me, traditional 3 passes, it works. It works for smoothness, for comfort. I'm a 3-pass guy. I've got a thick beard. Yeah, it's gray, and so it's a little, coarser, what have you, but this thing works admirably. And I thought the regular twig, mild as it was good and definitely sufficient and fantastic under the nose. And this is just that next step. If you feel that the regular twig is not quite where you want it to be, yeah, you want this. Oh, little spot. And yeah, I've been using this razor all week. I got it last weekend, but of course I didn't do a video last weekend to show you. So I have already full face shaved up with it twice. Jeez, nose just buffing a little bit here. Here we go. Oh, one spot. Here it is. Okay, good. Yep, this does well. It is smooth razor, a little more angle. I mean, it's one of those things you just go on and you can just tell, but it'll tell you the angle it likes. Yeah. Yeah. Light touch. Of course, nice slickness on the Phoenix soap. There. Yeah. That was comfortable. See, I got a little spot, got myself a little neck, but didn't feel it. Only saw it, didn't feel it. So I'm just waiting for this thing to drain here so I can rinse off this razor. Really, really liking that. So if I could only have one, yeah, it'd be this one. More aggression. I like it a little bit better because I just like that more aggression for a razor for me. I don't know if it's because of the you know, the white whiskers or not. I'm going to guess that's probably a major point of it. If yours aren't on the white variety yet, you might be just fine with the other one. But yeah, for me, I like a little more aggression. So if you like a little more aggression, yeah, get the Thorn. There would be. I'm just rinsing off my brush here. There. All right, let's shake that up in the shower. Okay, yeah, I shook it out like 7 times, and I, you know, went across a dry towel and then turned it 90 degrees, did it again. That's good. Of course, our bowl, let me rinse that out so I can show you that beautiful thing. There. Right off. That thing is just gorgeous. I don't know if you can see the light, get the light so you can see the hummingbird there. It's just gorgeous. This bowl is just gorgeous. Polish pottery. Really enjoy that. There we go. And of course my tub, I'm not going to bother rinsing it off because I'm going to use it again tomorrow, so I don't need to wash the edges off. It can stay a little soapy, that's fine. And yeah, I didn't pause it for the rinse off of everything. But that way you see how much time it takes to just kind of rinse off the razor and stuff. It doesn't take really any time at all. But it's a minute that I didn't have to show you, I guess. Oh yes, nice shave, like the shave. Pardon me, but oops, I didn't cool it down yet. Let me turn the sink on to cold first. While that's running cool, I'm just going to dry off the razor and put it on the shelf. I'll be right back. If you see, I don't know if you can hear me still, but I'm right here, just got a camera shot. There we go. There's that. Now I'm going to rinse off. Ah, yes. Rinsed off a couple splashes there of cold water. Close up the pores. I wasn't really going to use the witch hazel today, but I think I will. Here we go. And of course we broke out the lemon. We got the lemon because it's summertime now. It's got a little alcohol in it, so I saved this one for spring, summer. And I do enjoy lemon. Okay. Yep. All right, let's see here. We'll put that away afterwards. Now, yeah, the aftershave. And the restrictor is pretty restrictive on this one. I mean, I could probably widen that hole a tick, but I don't mind. A couple extra shakes isn't going to hurt anything. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Really enjoy that. Really enjoy that. Ah, yes. And now we're going to finish it off with their aftershave jelly. It does come out jelly-ish, sort of. It's a little bit more gelish than lotionish. Because to me it's like a hybrid. It kind of looks like it might be a little bit of both. And this is got the mentholated. It's mentholated. But I like to say, because it's a lotiony type product, putting a little on my forehead too for the dry skin. And this I'm just not gonna, because this is it's mentholated and it's lotiony type of thing, this gel, so I'm just gonna wash my hands here. You learn the hard way, you don't wipe your hands with anything mentholated on your chest, or you'll be noticing it. You hit the areolas and yeah, it's gonna burn. There, hands are washed off, dried off. Oh, that smells good. Oh, I enjoy that. I mean, yes, it's not long lasting, but I really enjoy it. I just enjoy that honeysuckle. At the very least, maybe get yourself a sample, see what you think. Because they do sell the smaller sizes. I'm not sure in the honeysuckle they do sell the little ones or not, but I'm sure they have at least the aftershave samples you can get for like $1. Really liking it. Really liking it. Of course, that aftershave jelly stuff there, it works. It really does work. Skin feels nice and soft, so it just feels good. Feels, yeah, like it's protected. I know I can't get too close to see how it kind of helps with the dry skin on the forehead and all that stuff too. But yeah, really liking it. Good shave, nice and close. Oh yeah, feels very good. Well, I hope you enjoyed the products today. I had quite a bit to show you today for new stuff. And I've got a new razor for maybe next week. We'll see. It's new one I got from Dollar General, I think it was. A razor, that Shavely razor. All the people have used the Shavely, so that'll be possibly next week's shave. We'll see what that looks like. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and go with God.